My body is restored, my strength is renewed, renewed by the power of God. I rise above every weakness, above every heaviness and every weariness. For I declare victory over every battle, seen and unseen. No challenge will overwhelm me, no struggle will defeat me. The strength of the Lord sustains me, His power works within me, reviving every part of my being. I walk in divine energy, divine health, divine resilience. I walk in divine energy, divine health, divine resilience. Every day I am getting stronger, wiser, more grounded in Him. Every glare that I am not drained, I am replenished. I am not defeated, I am victorious. I am victorious. I am victorious. God's grace carries me, His peace steadies me, His power propels me forward. Today I rise with confidence, clothed in strength and filled with purpose. Today